Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 4 mars and I'm going to tell you what we did today. So, first of all, our weekly warm-up. And today's warm-up was was this little meme here. Un sourire coûte moins cher que l'électricité, mais donne autant de lumière. Un sourire coûte moins cher que l'électricité, mais donne autant de lumière. And we determined that that meant a smile costs less than electricity, but gives just as much light. And so we wrote that down in our notebooks. And disregard the page numbers. We actually did it, I think it was like 86 or 87. So we did that. And then the next thing we did was basically we finished our quiz that we started Friday. And so I don't think that I might have, let's see. Let me see if I put it in here. French question, words fill in the blank. Yes. One side of it was this one where, again, we finished this up here. And then the back was the reading comprehension. No, that's not this one. I always click on that one. It's not that one. It's another one. Was it this one? No, but this is what we used our notes. We used these notes for the quiz. So the other side is, you'll get it if you weren't here. So we finished that up. And then those who were finished went to work on Duolingo. So you were to go to Duolingo and complete one skill today. And if you, and I get to check at the end of the day to see whether or not you completed one skill. And just FYI, I'm just going to click on fourth period here. When I mean a skill, I'm talking about all of the lessons in one skill. So like adjectives 1 has 2 lessons. So in order to get complete credit for adjectives 1, you need to complete both lessons. So all you had to do was pick a skill that I assigned, any one of these right here, and do it today and master it, complete it, get all the lessons done, and then you're going to get a daily grade of 100. So that was all that we did today. Bon après-midi et à demain. Au revoir.